2024A with NPM 24,202,007. So, in this video, I will explain about reproductive health. So, what is reproductive health? Let's discuss together about reproductive health, starting for the definition of reproductive health, types of reproductive health, reproductive organ, and finally, how to maintain reproductive health. And don't forget the conclusion of reproductive health. Number 1, the first is the definition of reproductive health. Reproductive health is the definition in which a person's reproductive system, both man and woman, function well and is free from diseases, disorders, or disabilities that can affect the ability to reproduce. Reproductive health includes physical, mental, and social aspects related to the reproductive system and sexual function. This includes not only physical conditions but also the individual's right to obtain information and access to relevant health services. Number 2, the second type of reproductive health. 1. Women's reproductive health. Women's reproductive health relates to everything related to the female reproductive system, including menstruation, pregnancy, childbirth, and menopause. It also includes health related to sexually transmitted infection or EMS, cervical cancer, and other health problems. Number 2, male reproductive health. Male reproductive health includes sexual function, sperm production, and the health of reproductive organs such as the testes and prostate. Disorders such as erectile dysfunction, infertility, and the prostate cancer are also part of male reproductive health. Number 3, the birth is adolescent reproductive health. Adolescent reproductive health. Reproductive health focuses on education and understanding of the physical and emotional changes that occur during puberty, as well as the avoidance of health risks such as unwanted pregnancy and CTIS. The fourth is adolescent health. Reproductive health is older adults. Reproductive health in older adults includes changes that occur in the reproductive system as we age, including problems related to menopause in women and degraded sexual function in men. Number 3, then the third is the reproductive organ. 1. Female reproductive organ. The first is the ovaries, organ that produce egg cells and hormones such as estrogen and progesterone. The second is the fallopian tube, a tube that connects the ovary to the uterus where fertilization occurs. The third uterus, where the fetus develops during pregnancy. The fourth, vagina, a canal that connects to the uterus to the outside of the body. Number 2, male reproductive organ. The first is the testis, organ that produce sperm and the hormone testosterone. The second is the epididymis, where sperm is stored and matured. The third is the vas deferens, tuber that carries sperm for the epididymis to the urethra. The fourth is the prostate and seminal glands, produce fluids that are part of semen. Number 4, how to maintain reproductive health. The first is sexual education, getting proper education about reproductive health and sexuality to understand the risks and prevention. The second is regular check-up, attending regular check-up including pap smear for women and prostate exam for men. The third is safe sex practice, using condom, or other contraceptive methods to prevent CDIS and unwanted pregnancy. The fourth is health lifestyle, adopting a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and avoiding alcohol and illegal drugs. And the last is stress management. Management stress with relaxation techniques and social support to mental. Number 5. From the explanation above about reproductive health, I will also draw a final conclusion for the discussion about reproductive health. Namely, reproductive health is an important aspect of overall health that includes understanding one's body and prepare care. By knowing the types of reproductive health, reproductive organ, and how maintain reproductive health, individuals can take proactive steps to ensure their well-being. Education and access to good health services are the keys to achieve optimal reproductive health. Everyone. Thanks all the education videos about reproductive health that I can explain. Hopefully this video can be useful and beneficial for the audience. Thanks all and thank you.